In a country where crime has woven itself into the very fabric of daily life, shaping and in many cases defining our existence as a nation, there is an urgent need to examine the advantages and disadvantages of this many-headed monster. We must understand how each of us is affected. Professor Aniekan S. Brown, a distinguished scholar and leader, steps forward to address this pressing issue. Professor Brown is a professor of criminology from the Department of Sociology and Anthropology, Faculty of Social Sciences, University of Uyo. He is a fellow of the Nigeria Anthropological and Sociological Association, as well as the Nigeria College of Criminologists and Security Practitioners. His leadership spans roles such as former member of the Governing Council at Bayero University in Kano, former chairman of the Academic Staff Union of Universities, University of Uyo branch, and former coordinator of the Calabar Zone. He has served as national resource person for the Union, Dean of Students, and University Public Orator. Beyond academia, he is president of the Men's Fellowship at Insight Bible Church, classical choir leader, and president of the Full Gospel Business Men's Fellowship International, University of Uyo chapter. He is passionate about travel, sports, political and social analysis, and is a devoted Christian, husband to Abasiama, and father to 2 children. Currently, he serves as Dean of the Faculty of Social Sciences. Professor Brown presents the 114th Inaugural Lecture of the University of Uyo, titled Crime in Nigeria, Let Us All Eat the Cake. The Vice-Chancellor, Professor Nyaudoh Ndaeyo, invites both the university community and the public to this monthly convocation. The event will take place on Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025, at the 1,000-seater TETFund Auditorium, University of Uyo Main Campus, off Nwaniba Road, Uyo, Akwa Ibom. The lecture begins at 3 o'clock in the afternoon and guests are to be seated by 2:45. Announcer Mrs. Blossom Okori, Registrar and Secretary to Senate.